GoingGlobal is an online careers information resource available to Northumbria students. If you are keen to work or study overseas, use GoingGlobal to find jobs, internships and work experience opportunities, as well as country-specific career information and career guides. This video will show you how to use the country guides on GoingGlobal. These guides are useful sources of country-specific career information to help you find employment opportunities in a specific country and learn more about the culture, industries and employment practices in that country. To find the country guides, click the Careers Guide tab at the top of the screen and select Country Career Guides from the drop-down menu. This takes you to a full list of all the country guides available. Next, click the name of the country to go to its country guide. Each guide is divided into sections covering finding a job, hiring opportunities, getting the job, professional and personal networking, living there, and general resources. Click on the menu at the top of the guide to see a full list of content in that section. Alternatively, click the plus symbol to open up the list in the centre of the screen. Click on a link to go to further information about that subject. Use the menu on the left to navigate within a section. You can also use the menu at the top of the guide to go to a different section. If you need help using GoingGlobal, you can speak to us in Student Central on the ground floor of City Campus Library. The Careers Guidance drop-in is held every Monday to Friday, 10 AM to 4 PM. Just go to the Ask4 Help desk to sign up. The Careers Information and Job Search drop-in is held every weekday, 1 to 3 PM. No appointment is needed.